There's a special magic in discovering a hidden gem, especially in the Caribbean, where secret beaches still exist beyond the crowded postcards. These are the places where your footprints might be the only ones in the sand, and the soundtrack is just waves, wind, and distant birds. Today, I'm Sid, and I'll take you off the beaten path to uncover the Caribbean's best-kept secrets. Imagine a ribbon of turquoise water, so clear boats seem to float on air. This isn't fantasy, it's real, and it's waiting for you. Let's begin our journey to the hidden beaches of the West Indies, where the world feels brand new. Ready? Let's go. Our first stop is Petite Anse, perched on Grenada's northern tip, a place you truly have to seek out to find, far from the usual tourist trails and hidden from the casual passerby. The drive there winds through lush, rolling hills and vibrant villages, the air thick with the scent of nutmeg, cocoa, and sea salt. Every turn reveals a new glimpse of Grenada's wild, unspoiled heart. As you arrive, the Atlantic opens up in a breathtaking panorama, its endless blue horizon stretching as far as the eye can see, promising adventure and tranquility in equal measure. Petite Anse is tucked below a small eco-hotel, its pristine state fiercely protected by those who cherish its wild beauty and peaceful isolation. A narrow, winding path leads you down to a cove framed by volcanic headlands and dense greenery, creating a sense of perfect seclusion and escape from the world. The sand is pale gold, the waves energetic, and the only sounds are the rhythmic surf and the calls of seabirds wheeling overhead. On clear days, the Grenadines shimmer on the horizon, a distant chain of islands, a reminder of the vast archipelago that stretches beyond. Here, there are no jet skis or vendors, just the raw power of the Atlantic and a handful of pelicans diving for fish, undisturbed by crowds. The water is deep blue and invigorating, cool and bracing against your skin. Swimming here is unforgettable, but the currents demand respect and a sense of adventure. Coconut palms and sea grape trees offer welcome shade, their resilience a testament to nature's endurance in this windswept paradise. Explore the rock pools at low tide and discover a miniature world of crabs, darting fish, and delicate marine life, nature's own hidden treasures. Petite Anse is about discovery and solitude, a true luxury found in untouched beauty, where every step feels like a personal revelation. The journey here is a pilgrimage to Grenada's soul, rewarding those who make the effort with a sense of arrival and belonging. This isn't just a beach, it's an experience that lingers long after you leave, a memory that calls you back. Petite Anse sets the standard for our quest, untamed, peaceful, and unforgettable, a place where time seems to slow down. It's a secret you'll want to keep, but can't help but share with those who appreciate true beauty. The sense of awe and wonder here is real, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left the shore. You leave with more than memories. You leave with a sense of privilege, as if you've been let in on a rare secret. This is the essence of a hidden gem, a place that feels both ancient and alive. The Atlantic's wild heart is palpable, its energy shaping the land and spirit of Petite Anse. Petite Anse is a sanctuary for contemplation, a place to pause and simply be. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to feel the earth beneath your feet and the salt air on your skin. And it's just the beginning of our journey into Grenada's most extraordinary places. Next, we travel to Nevis, where Lovers Beach offers pure privacy and romance. Tucked away from the crowds, this hidden gem is a sanctuary for those seeking a true escape. Getting there is an adventure. Arrive by boat for dramatic views of Nevis Peak, or hike a secret trail for a breathtaking reveal from above. Each route heightens the sense of anticipation, making the arrival feel even more special. The beach is a crescent of gold, flanked by steep green cliffs that create a natural amphitheater of intimacy. The landscape feels untouched, as if it's been waiting just for you. The sand is powder fine, the water calm and clear, a perfect natural swimming pool. Here, the gentle waves invite you to relax and let go of the world beyond the shore. Often, you'll have the entire beach to yourself, making it ideal for a private picnic or a quiet swim. It's a rare chance to savor the simple joys of solitude or share a special moment with someone you love. There are no facilities, just you, the sea, and the promise to leave it as you found it. The untouched beauty is a gentle reminder to tread lightly and respect this rare paradise. Explore the cove's edges for fascinating rock formations and vibrant marine life. Each tide pool is a miniature world, teeming with color and movement. Snorkeling reveals a hidden world of colorful fish among the rocks. The underwater scenery is as enchanting as the beach itself, offering endless wonder for those who venture in. As the sun sets, the cliffs cast long shadows and the sky explodes in color, a private show for those lucky enough to witness it. The golden hour here feels magical, painting memories you'll cherish forever. Leaving Lovers Beach, you feel privileged, as if you've been let in on Nevis's best secret. The sense of peace lingers long after you've gone. It's more than a location. It's a memory of perfect solitude and connection. Here, time seems to slow, letting you savor every moment. The romance and tranquility here are unmatched. Lovers Beach is a place where hearts can reconnect and spirits can find calm. Lovers Beach is a pact with nature. Enjoy, but preserve. Every footprint is a promise to protect this sanctuary for those who come after. The silence is profound, broken only by waves. It's a rare kind of quiet that soothes the soul. It's a place for those who seek beauty in simplicity. Here, the essentials are all you need. The adventure of finding it is part of the reward. Each step brings you closer to a world apart from the ordinary. This is the Caribbean at its most intimate, a place where nature and romance intertwine effortlessly. Lovers Beach is a secret you'll want to keep. Its magic is best experienced in person, away from the world's distractions. But some secrets are too good not to share. The joy of discovery is even sweeter when shared with someone special. It's a place you'll never forget. The memories linger, calling you back again and again. The feeling of discovery is real. Each visit is a new adventure, a new story to tell. Lovers Beach is a treasure. Its beauty is timeless, its spirit unforgettable, and it's waiting for you. Come and discover your own intimate escape. On Dominica, the Nature Isle, a world of untamed beauty and vibrant life awaits at every turn. Makucheri Beach sits where rainforest meets sea, a wild, elemental place where the land and ocean seem to merge in a dance of color and sound. Hidden just off the main road, a secret path leads you through dense vegetation to a beach of shimmering black volcanic sand, untouched and mysterious. The sand glitters with mica, a dramatic contrast to the usual Caribbean gold, sparkling beneath the sun like scattered jewels. The Makucheri River meets the sea here, its cool freshwater mingling with warm salt, creating a unique environment where two worlds collide. The rainforest comes right to the sand, alive with the sounds of tree frogs, parrots, and the scent of wild blossoms drifting on the breeze. Look inland and you'll see the towering mountains of Morne Diablotins, waterfalls cascading down their slopes, feeding the lush valleys below. Swimming here is unique. The dark sand warms the shallows and the water drops off quickly for a refreshing dip, making every swim an adventure. Nearby, the historic Makucheri Rum Distillery adds a touch of culture to your visit, its legacy woven into the island's story. Wading into the river is a cool contrast to the sea, and following it inland feels like entering the island's soul, where every step reveals new wonders. Makucheri isn't manicured perfection. It's raw, untamed beauty, shaped by wind, water, and time. It's for adventurers and naturalists, those who seek the primal spirit of Dominica and crave the thrill of discovery. The beach is framed by rainforest and river, a place of drama and solitude where you can lose yourself in the wild landscape. The sounds and scents are ever present, immersing you in nature and reminding you of the island's living heartbeat. The black sand is a reminder of the island's volcanic heart, a testament to the forces that shaped this land. Makucheri is a secret worth discovering, a place where solitude and wonder go hand in hand. It's a place to feel the power of nature, to witness the raw energy of the sea and sky. The rainforest's edge is alive with mystery, inviting you to explore its secrets and stories. This is Dominica at its wildest. Makucheri Beach is unforgettable, a place that lingers in your memory long after you leave. It's a hidden treasure for the bold, a destination for those who seek the extraordinary, and it's waiting to be explored by you, ready to write your own story at the rainforest's edge. Our journey continues to Sandy Island, a pristine sandbar off Carriacou in the Grenadines. Getting there is half the magic. A short water taxi ride over turquoise water, the island appearing as a white mirage. Sandy Island is a narrow strip of blindingly white sand, dotted with resilient coconut palms and surrounded by a coral reef lagoon. There are no buildings, no roads, just pure, untouched nature. Walk the island's circumference in minutes, taking in the contrast between calm lagoon and open sea. The reef teems with life, Snorkelers are rewarded with vibrant fish and, if lucky, a sea turtle gliding by. The only shade comes from the palms, their fronds rustling in the trade winds. The water clarity is astonishing, like swimming in a natural infinity pool, the colors vivid and surreal. As a protected national park, visitors must leave no trace. Pack out everything you bring. This shared responsibility keeps Sandy Island pristine for future explorers. Sitting beneath a palm, surrounded by endless blue, you feel a profound sense of peace and isolation. The experience is meditative, a true escape from the world. As your boat returns, you look back at the shrinking island, grateful for the privilege of visiting. Sandy Island is a fragile jewel, a reminder of what paradise truly looks like. The simplicity here is the ultimate luxury. It's a place to disconnect and recharge. The beauty is overwhelming. Sandy Island is unforgettable. It's a paradise that vanishes as you leave, but the memory stays with you. This is the Caribbean at its purest, and it's yours to discover. Our final secret is Anse La Roche, Grenada, a beach that must be earned by a rugged hike or a boat ride. The trail starts near Sautour, winding through dry forest and rocky terrain, each step building anticipation. After a challenging trek, the beach appears, a perfect crescent of golden sand between dramatic headlands. The sense of isolation is immediate. Often you'll have the cove entirely to yourself. The water is crystal clear and calm, ideal for swimming and floating in peace. At the southern end, a rock formation called the Watchman stands guard, adding to the mystical atmosphere. Snorkeling here is excellent, with rocky edges sheltering colorful marine life. There are no amenities, just a simple lean-to for shade, so come prepared. Sitting in the shade, eating a simple lunch, and gazing at the sea is a luxury no resort can match. The journey back is uphill, but filled with accomplishment. You've experienced a place few ever see. Anse La Roche is a powerful reminder that the best treasures require effort. The silence is deep, the beauty untouched. It's a place to reconnect with simplicity. The hike is part of the reward. This is Grenada's hidden heart. Anse La Roche is unforgettable. The sense of discovery is real. It's a secret worth seeking. The journey is as memorable as the destination. This is the perfect conclusion to our search. The West Indies' secret shores await. Will you answer the call? Our journey ends, but your adventure can begin. These hidden shores are more than beautiful. They're invitations to explore, seek tranquility, and connect with nature. I hope you're inspired to find your own secret paradise. If you enjoyed this expedition, like and subscribe for more adventures. Share your own hidden gems in the comments below. The world is full of wonders. Let's keep exploring together. Until next time, stay curious.